Khago's name is never far away from a controversy. Whichever way you want, take it at the reality. Sizzler, Sasko, acting, cut off your ear, bleaching, sitting in my place, threesome, many different things you want to laugh. And as we asked you earlier, Zine, some of them things you calculate them, you do them deliberately to stir conversation.
No, like the vlogger song,
right,
and the threesome song.
Okay.
But the other one, them.
I just natural vibration.
No, I defend myself.
Oh, that's a defend yourself.
Yeah.
Mm.
But me as a man, the way I defend myself, terrible. People think say me are the problem child.
Yeah.
Like the way I deal with Dada, you know, people think say I'm a trouble. People just think say I'm a beat, and then I can't see in a citizen. People just say, I beat grown and I beat up senior citizen. And they don't understand, say, listen, I the man do song first, you know?
Mm.
But I boss him, I boss me.
Yes.
Because now, I can guarantee, tell you, say, him rate me.
Yeah.
Him tell people, say, rate me. Yeah, man, one artist, one nice artist, but not tell no lie. One time, I named the power tour. And through him a real rasta too. I dey on the tour with him, you know, but he said, I don't chat to him because I know say him and Sizzler, my friend too. And they see me, you know, because I'm a savage, you know, so. Because I know how to make them things say I'm a bad man, you know. He just put on the face and underneath my shades, you know, hold it, you know. And I say, we dey on one boat to go over one Caribbean. And I don't know. So you hear me say, suicide thing and sitting. Maybe I said, Jesus Christ. They on the boat with a boy and he just look for me so and he not chat to me. We do the first and third show and fourth one and we're going to do the last one. And if a boy just jump off with me over there. And he stick a smile, man. And I said, oh, you're lucky. And he said, boy, I'm not lie still nothing. And Dada friend still, Dada is general, but boy, you deal with him. You know, deal with him good, you know, no man else. But I say, you know, come to think of it, the man rate you that I have. Man rate to go down to bed, the man say, I saw Jamaican for stay. I saw youth for tough.
Yes.
I saw youth for defend themselves. And I believe the person.
Yeah.
And me evil, the top of Portmore, that I show him, I keep it right out the back road there, so. And he hears me stop at him and say, Jesus, God, why him never come in? Me I tell the man, say, the man, the nigga me war me. I said, no, Dada no hate you then type of way. He did. But when he knew, say, you know, me wrong with the youth still. But me not wrong with him. Me show one level artistic. Me get you out of him. You understand? So, right then and there now, some other artists, the whole of them afraid of me like a post. They're not play with me.
They're not play with them.
No, just name one of them with spot would I say, yo. I don't talk anything new out, you know. Because every era people come.
Right.
People come witty more than and music easier now. See, things them look at you and afraid to tell you man, and I can't do that now. I have too much pitney and I have my wife. So then have me now like a soft spot. Alright, he can't say this. Right. So through me know saying happy in Francine, he can't say it. He know, so he know bad again. Right. Like a lion in can't teeth them in teeth and jump out. So that's it. But them look at you now. I can't. Me know my strong point. I wouldn't try for war and then look at you. So I learned that from the thing with Dada. But it was just a sport. It was just a sport.
So you just take it on for.
But you know, you tell us I'm 6 million for Dada.
How old were you when your father passed?
You know, I'm a raccoon, so I'm not no age.
Yeah, no age.
You look up, young brother. You see, the last week, I don't have my family, so I have my son upstairs and I bar out, Daddy. I'm not picking man, I'm a virgin. You can't call me about Daddy about I'm people.
Yes.
I'm picking.
It has been well documented that you and your mother don't see eye to eye. How things are between you guys.
You know, sir. You know, me not even bore too much hole down in that, but you just have to just certain thing we just allow it make it just dead out or hope it dead and sitting. I mean she, I mean in general. Because enough people show, some people just need to mind their own personal business. There are some things where I'm going to leave that alone. Like teach them and their mother go at something. I don't know them problem what they have. Because remember I say, somehow we man are just sperm donor, you know? But we refuse to say the girl them are just baby carrier too, you know? True. So me fall in the baby carrier pant. And a man expects me to say, if you show me a picture of me and you, me take back everything, how I feel about you. I am my mother show me a picture. I never see a baby picture of me from the day I born. And me can see man with me can call daddy and grandfather have baby pictures. So you must just understand. Me not have to even dig that deeper. You understand? Me say me want to see me how, me want to see me in my infancy because I am my mother. That's all I'm just saying. But you have a love in your heart for somebody that is a mother, which part. I don't know where she there, I don't know if she that, and I don't know my father, but I love the inner you for your father, which part. You don't know your father, but it is there somewhere, and it make you see me call my son Zara, because Zara then say my father's name. Understand? So sometimes when you see him act like him and my daddy, in goodly I say, are you wrong for call me your daddy, so for me I will deal with you that way. When I want things for it, me and your son, but otherwise from that you and me and your daddy. So
yes.
And it's not a nice feeling because honestly, don't having a mother, brother, it make me take too much years to figure out how to love even my wife, brother. Just like don't having a father, he make enough youth a bus gun and he make because you know no fatherly love. Me no fatherly love, no motherly love. So it make me just use people that I don't know who love me. Okay, one night and that's it. You have to understand. Say, that youth here just need a hug, my youth. So my back always against the wall, and as me said, you should never make me come in the nice part of life. And she say, so it is so nice.
Go back.
You can't send me back to where I come from.
The government name is Ricardo Gale. First name that you took on was Chicago. How did that come about?
Mr. Vegas.
Yeah?
Yeah. When I tell you, I feel sang the music right to start do that thing professionally. So since him take on one state, I have to take on a state too. And when it is calculated, you know, and when that TOK do the song about them a parring man, I say I take off a chair for Khago. That was calculated. People not evil, like, people not give you no, perhaps see a geniusness, you know.
Yeah. Ingenuity.
Yeah, me's a genius, brother.
Genius.
Brother, me's a genius. Straight genius, me's a genius. My wife can tell him, I'm a genius. Khago, a genius. Me just know, say, okay, scrappy right, so we now drive the truck, they go further. You understand? Yeah.
You got a lot of musical grooming when you entered the JCDC Popular Song Competition. Me feel 2006 and 2007. Yeah,
me feel every artist needs to run through
That's how deeply you feel about it?
Yes. It make me can perform. Antoinette, when Antoinette them a teacher for perform. It's no regular thing. You make it because it make when I walk out for Sunfest, people think say yo me boss before popcorn them and acting them.
Right.
Because I'm a performer, brother. And it make you say acting can perform more than the whole of them.
Because you teach him.
Me help him perform like I win. And me start teaching him run out and jump and bam 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 and from backstage, hotter fire burning, hotter fire burning. He teach him them thing there, brother. And I love acting, brother, man. Yourself are going. I want to give dog 40 years as.
Yeah.
If he may act and be back friend, I have to fight him first. And when I say fight him, now with no gun, and
right.
if a boy amongst him ever touch me, then dead. Because him I go fight in
yeah, he go fight.
Yeah. Because we know that.
Open the workout, you think one of them time, brother.
So if I'm good, never fancy me, I take a career in front of him. I'm going to so you could have squits out everything.
The 2006 song, the play third, only if you know.
Only if you know, you stand ground now. Listen, you know, I'm going to release by a song.
Yeah?
Song the deep.
Best video that year. But
I know,
third place.
I know a two-time win jersey CD system.
2007, you went back.
You win it.
Been there.
You win it, brother.
So the second you get, man?
Them not give you. Trust me. Hey, music corrupt, you know. Alright, listen. If that competition, see, I hit mash up that competition, you know, because you're not going to get the rightful winner. If you win the competition around the country, how you not win it when you go Ronnie Williams? How you not win it with Ronnie Williams? I don't understand it. Every parish you go in, them have 2,000 people in a raffle bag.
Yeah.
And if 2,000 people come at this venue, they may say, they may go on, right, who is a favorite? Every parish is Chicago.
Chicago.
So how many win the competition and not 2 years them do it, but here we go on. You see, if I know you, someone can come to and talk to and say, yo, we have to make you win, you know, but that million you have to go split in a two. You know, I know you win, I can't go win. But a man is a fear out. You can't come to me with that type of garbage. So everything corruption, you know. So it tear down the thing. Because the country I say, no, sir. How? Even the winner, when you 2007 is the year when they really do me bad. They landslide it. When you name Gunty. When you sing like Bunty, you sing over Bunty song them and Tiger them and gimmicks like Gully Bop type of thing. And remember you have to pick and perform and three you pick today and you perform at 3 parish. Then you pick it after 3. So if you pick to perform at number 1, you have to perform a 3 show first before you can pick. So it no matter who I go come up. If me pick to perform after Bunty, me have to hold that weight the brother. So you know so you know say me pick. If you come on after the youth named Gunty, because the pirate Bunty wicked. And I tell you, say the first show, you know, we go all about them and lock it down, you know. And I come out, I lock it down too. But I don't lock it down like him. Because when a man perform gimmicks, I have people laugh, but me come out with real performance. So the night, second shot, everywhere we go. I say, I have your luck, man. Pick again, bam. Me pick number 3. Bam, him pick number 4. The table just return back round. Brother.
Beat him bad.
He can't perform after me. The rickiest thing, when real artists perform, you can't perform gimmicks after.
Right. Yeah,
but when him perform, you a real artist, have more work to do. You understand? And you know, so brother, I call the man a St. Thomas. The man ball, living in the water. Nah go up after me. Piss up himself out of whole but we got watch it. And when we got watch it, him ball out of St. Thomas. Because I remember, you know, me I come out certain type of way. I mean, I wear jacket suit and Jamaica color and anything there. You know, I wear me tight pants them and straight pants them and cut up and look like a Yankee long time because of the watch thing, you know. See? So, the little girl them not say dancehall artists I come out like how me come out. 2007 me I come out looking like a Yankee. See? So the girl them are dead. Them no want you know garbage after that. Nah, this is garbage, but a garbage. See? If you are going to do garbage music, it have to be better than Gully Bop or worse for work. It can't in between.
It can't in between.
If you are going to do just like Amari come and say, now the worst a garbage than my man and show you say, you cannot act like you was a garbage man, you have to be a real garbage man for that thing to work. Because Gully Bop show you say, you don't have to be the best garbage collector for you, you have to just be the worst one. And the worst one I go work. People, you have to stinker than everybody. For fear thing. Fear sing gimmicks. So I say garbage, you know, gimmicks we call it. You you have to worse than Gully Bop or better than him. Enough other man who see come with a gimmick thing, and then where Gully Bop's come become a rock star garbage collector with millions more than enough of it.
Yeah.
Gully Bop to make more money more than 90% of it, man. Yeah, sir. And just because him don't have, if him didn't have like a Francine around him,
no, Francine.
If he didn't want Francine, I think you have too much chin. If me did have a Francine in the first part of my career,
yeah, balance.
Me that zillionaire boy, man,
yeah.
Already. So, I tell you.
I read somewhere that little ear is your cousin.
Yeah.
True.
And PZ.
And PZ.
And Zamunda.
Zamunda.
And Chronix.
Yeah?
What you laugh at?
I don't know about the rest of the people. I just say.
I'll stations of my cousin too.
Yeah?
We just know them thing. The stations of my cousin by my family them side, the Scarlet them. All Scarlet and my family.
Scarlet.
From down a Craig.
Oh, yes.
It's not just a show, brother. I must say, you will never catch me. I tell a lie, and a man still rather kill myself, you know, brother.
Yeah.
No, man, I rather thief than tell a lie, man.
Many people enter JCDC and then probably will win and then probably place, but musically them not grow. You have become a superstar.
Rockstar.
Rockstar.
You become a rockstar, man.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something. Them just not like me, dog. Me don't know. Like people will suck up. Brother, me is a earth youth. You will see me in the nicest. My wife can tell you this boy don't even know how to be happy. And since me come back to Jamaica now, me just start, I say, oh, I say you're happy, you have to just let go. Since me start going on my Bible, me understand. You take things too, brother, just look upon your brother and sister, them will grow with mother and everybody nice, and them get to go foreign, and them get to go college, and then get to go high school. What them become? Nothing stop. Burden yourself, and God carry you down over that road there, brother. God bring you down that road because he knows, say, the nice road now go work out. So him bring you down the rough road and your thing work out. So pat yourself on your shoulder and give all glory to God Almighty. And from me start do that, me start smiling. They say I be a smile, me smile. Me I go put braces all on my teeth to make sure so me smile brighter. Me just start smile and I show the youth them. Wake up. He say, what sweet you, I go sour you. But for my life, I was sour me sweet, me no go myself. Me no want nothing sweet me then sour me later on.
Yeah, prepare
sour me at first and sweet me. No.
Khago have some of the biggest songs over the last decade. Some man sites.
Till 2020.
Can't cool.
2 years me get out of business.
2 years.
me just bear the next 8 years.
Yeah.
Name and should I beat myself? Should I beat myself like how? Last year me just make a bomb and we just come on Facebook and say $100 for 3 Khago. And me close to 20 other got 30 million. Last year in a corona month like last month. I say, my wife said, dirty boy. You have me sit down and hold every pressure from 2014 to 2020, and you a millionaire, you can make millions in a month, and you was a wicked husband. You was a wicked husband. I say my wife, them make me feel, then kill my confidence.
That's how you felt?
Yeah, then kill my confidence. When I come on Facebook, everybody I say, I'm a Facebook artist. I say I'm a top artist, you know. I go up there with the mother of them and shaggy them and the whole of them have to come vice with me. I never ask them, you know, brother. So I'm not a regular artist. So when you go up there and you expose and you never have a strong cushion underneath you, management I take everything from you, producer rob you, you don't know the business, brother, your confidence dead. And God said, you have to prepare a table in front of your enemy them. And the part is sweet me. Him say me I go make you eat and there's nothing they can do about it. And the same Facebook, brother. If you see since me turn on Facebook yesterday, from Monday, me make millions. Glory be to God, brother. Seriousness, me I tell you. So when you see me, I tell you, say, brother, when you start, the Bible is a thing where I have to navigate you. I'm serious now. I have to navigate you. It is not for religion. There is nothing in the Bible where wrong. It'll tell you how to navigate. Just like how you say, send me the navigator if you come around. The Bible is the navigation. If you know how to deal with me. Love your brother like how you love yourself. Don't be no hypocrite, brother. Top talk sideways because God see everything what you say. You can't say him bleach and then you support the next man with bleach. Make up your mind what you do. You are Pharisees or what, brother? You can't say him take on the artist, the one of the artists sing song and this him try tell me how to run my business. We as Jamaican brother need to just wake up and just start love each other like how we love ourselves. And love your neighbor, love your wife, love your brother them. God say you have to fear him and afraid of your brother. So yeah, your brother not even have to deal. But here we are going, brother. That hypocrite type of thing there, brother. We have to just put it aside. And then kill me confidence, brother. You know, I tell you no lie. My wife said, and I eat you know, I fear your dog. I said, wow. So, my wife said, you can't make so much money in a 1 week. I said, I come home, I return my rifle, resign by me. Resign, she said,
a serious thing then, Khago, I think a joke so they say to the brother.
Brother, I said, my wife upstairs, she said, I work for me a pitney. And you have me sit down and struggle. I go work for people every day.
So that's how things is safe financially for you in them time, Khago?
Brother, from 2014, I make $1 out of music, you know, brother. Nobody no look for me, you know, because I act in a sizzler, you know. Nobody no book me. Nobody may just become a footstool in a music. And because, let me tell you something, don't ever walk on somebody if you get there, brother. Make Jah take you there, brother. And if this is the final me where people ever go see, if this is going to be my last interview, it is well done. Me no call you and say, yo, don't interview with a person there. No, I will never. You
couldn't tell me that still.
Me can't tell you.
But I will listen, right?
Then you can't, you understand. But you know, and let me tell you something. Enough man used to interview me, you know, and I know he get paid to style me.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Me even go do interview. People call me for the interview. And when I go, it is a ambush.
Yeah?
When I go scatter them and all of them in there. To make sure, say, he got my career. And enough thing I do to me, not impress. Enough thing it make you see dancehall have to stop. It have to crash. It make you see the African artists, them a drive be a Bentley and be a Rolls Royce and have be a pretty wife and be a mansion and value more than even the rapper them over here. Because them unite and they not tear down them one another so viciously. See, brother, and call me for the interview when I go and my enemy them they having them a youth to wait for me. And I say, how want me do them people here, brother? All me ever do, brother, is I be myself. You never hear say me go down there so and shoot a man. You never hear say me thump the man. You never hear say me kick that girl. You never hear say me tell that girl say yo, bro, nothing personally. And me say yo, but I'm a gift, brother. I'm a gift.
What happened to you on Down Sounds?
Down Sound?
Yeah.
Brother, I go Down Sound, you know, because I see him there. Me and Down Sound, you know. I see him there when he sees that thing when me hear the song on the radio. And me I drive go to town and I say, shit, I have to go find a studio to do back on a song for Sizzla. That day they stop at Down Sound. I don't know them and when me tap around there now, me get back, like me did it for a week and me get back me card if you can fly, go do me show them. And me get 19 show. I go down south, nobody around there and fly, nobody not do nothing from Fantan Moja cut from around there, nobody not did that, brother. Everybody don't go around there and they amount Joe pocket, brother. And I go there in a 1 week, my voice 80 yard song, brother. And I said to Joe, I said to Violet, say, me there on a down sound them, and 19 show or something we spot. Me alone can angle. So I talk to Joe, say, more you talk to Violet them, talk to Violet for me, and me I will give you 20% if you conduct that business for me. And millions come in. me give you 20% out of it. For nothing. Me no know you. You never spend $1 upon me yet, brother. The first week me go around there. So it now, when me there foreign, me call him and me say, the man them a work for my house, so I want 100,000 for borrow from you, for buy some steel. And him say, no. And I say, then if me can do all of these things, me no know you, and me go around there and it was the hottest point of the thing from Fantan Moja them with the sizzler thing because it end up catch this. So I not all for do them, you know, I start to do the war for them ready. That was it, brother. And what happened? Ninja Man start, when I come off at tour, Ninja Man, them sign Ninja Man. Remember, them not sign me, me and them only have one
gentleman's agreement.
Yeah, for the thing from Violet, booking thing. Them never book nothing for me, they never get a show for me yet. It is a show them were built in for me already. Me give them, to say, yo, talk to Violet. And remember, say, me I make millions, and when we done a $2.4 million, then get from me. Free of cost, brother. So, here, how me and them fall out now. Him send one youth on tour with me. And I say, this feel nice, we have a team around me still. But it is not a team when you want around me. Because I have my people them. And that's what I like. If you meet me with people around me,
not people them still.
Not people them still. But in send a youth, okay. We're in the plane. And the youth are showing me one video spot, then do with nature. World peace, the world peace song there. So, nature bubble belly and naked in it and then thing there and naked. So I say, the youth ask me if I like it. Brother, he's a real listener, brother. My brother, I plane crashing at the sky with me, you know. Me, I go tell you the truth. I say, no, sir, I don't like it. Just let me say to the man, you know. Me don't like it because it don't match the video.
Right.
You can't just sing world peace and man naked in it. It come like the man with a video you is a naked man him want to see if he catch a kicks. Me never said that still, but that in my mind, brother. Because there's no way I can sing the world peace and teach them and tell me, take off your shirt, man. Let me see your abs. Me not going to take that. Yes. So, me never said that still. So when I come back down now, rich like a what? You bad. Rich like how I come back off a tour. You know a thing set, because you just show me a little thing. See, you know see how me things set, me not rich long time before me know scatter them, brother. I go around the man them. I build this a mansion, brother, up on 3rd floor, and then say, you can't chat to me, brother. You have to research. So me come now, me hear Joe have meeting. If you talk to me. I mean, I say, Joe have meeting, want to talk to me. So I walk going, you know, me think I congratulate you, but I congratulate me. Well done, man. Welcome. Me decide to start. Me go wait till your contract up with Banky because he could manage me because my contract then. Me think of that the man I say, yeah man, me like how the thing work because remember I say me no know no, and me no mean to you. Me I make millions and me say yo take 20%. Brother, I think so. The man have the whole entertainment industry in there. Because you have scat and you have every dog from down south. Round there for here, him go talk down to me, idiot boy, me kicking in your throat, talk down to who? Me I say, me, if you go make one white man talk down to me, in front of my black brother then because me say, me not like the video. So, brother, me no know how to act again, my back is against the wall again, me start to think about suffer Khago. Or remember when you suffer, and remember when you live a good life. Which one of them? See, so me say, boy, I have to depend myself and not teach them. So, me listen to him now, I talk down to me, I talk Joe. I heard you said you don't wear it, so I said then, I never know say it's a dictatorship going around, so nobody can or like nothing what you do. I said, I don't like it. The guy asked me if I like it, and I say, no, I don't like the concept. I don't say I don't like the pixel. Because the pixel is kind of great to where video was at that time. But I say, but Joe, how you feel? How this guy if he come and I tell you that? Say me, say I don't like the video. Then he tell me, say, him used to Taya and Kataya can give you. And your wife, you up. That's what him said to me, you know. So how that becomes a problem? How the video lead from him? Him said the worst thing, boy. And you keep him and start pressure me. So that
was that.
But in a time now, here are them things, you know. So remember things just break up with Banky them, you know, and the industry pressure me, scatter jadis, yo. Them want to slave me now, yo, you can't leave because the industry, I go say, they stand say. I say, and me a chat, oh, scatter. Scatter, that's what I understand, say, the house value $1 million, we can just sell it and do back music. You know, understand that, boy, my brother means that suicide no means that you have to kill yourself, you know. I commit career suicide because I'm blessed by God helping me, and I now go make the devil, brother, lead me astray, forget more, because I just know that this is more than what I did ask God for. And if God can double my blessing, even though it's in asset, it is not in cash in my hand, I am not gonna let you make a white boy come and deal with me like me and nothing, and see the whole of them here. None of them now defend me. I used to scatter walk out all pan Magnum, Kings and Queen, and broke up all my CD and them sitting there. My song I play and then just take it out and broke it. I should have sued him. And I should have sued Magnum too. Lawyer there tell me to do it. If me there my wife for me sue him for another time then. For another time my career just makes so scatter me. Blood a boy love it. And then just walk out and take out the CD out. Brother, you think so them not gonna feel it? Lady saw again, youth, and nothing happened to me thing, you know. Lady saw, your woman I love, that is the biggest hurt my career get, can I just tell you, you know. That's why Lady saw can't preach to me. How me feel love you so much? Because as me say, brother, you have some artists in the business where you have no choice than to love them. So how can you not, who no love Lady saw? Tell me. I must young the next female artist then because of jealousy and dominancy. I like her, but me know say me no have no choice, brother. You know say, you know the time when me start to really feel poor life I hit me back is when me go Sunfest and Lady saw walk out and start cuss me and do song and diss me about sit down with and all different type of sitting out. Brother, if me could have dig hole and put myself. Dig hole and hide myself, brother. Up till today, you ask about acting, my brother. But the lady saw my life. God know you that that's everything over for me out. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Lady saw, see me I go through what me I go through. As a woman where you are no mother, but you are dancer, mother. And see, everybody fight me. But if you come out and defend me and say, leave the youth can sing anything. And as a woman, which part sing anything, seeing and you come out and do me that, my youth, brother, you don't understand. Me hurt like, if you ever ask me if so, who really hurt me in my music, my lord.
Oh, yeah,
she, yeah, because me couldn't tell her how big it is. I couldn't tell her that. I couldn't call her all illegal. I couldn't call her all. Because Jamaica that kill me. But now that me not certain. Now that me not care. But me not go do it. Still not do it. Me glad me let it out. And she go say it and know say, shit, me never know me hurt the youth. She hurt my brother. She hurt me, she make all the female them. She make every female start diss me. Yeah man, she make every female start this song and diss me because you hope that can hurt the brother. And like, look, this reaches part is not music anymore now because if I bury someone diss me, I can style him back because he's a man. I don't care zero how big you want is, brother. But ladies are, brother, the mother for us, brother, publicly, brother. When I say I shame now, you know, it move from, whoa. Tears run down through my glasses, brother. What up, me? Run down on the floor, down a man to go be. Run down when I say ladies deal with me like that, brother. If I did Spice do it, I could have say, oh, Spice, and she knows say, yo, singer just that. But how can I come up Either coming like me this Master Griffiths. Can you imagine, brother? Me no so stupid, my lad. Remember, so the thing hurt me, you know, at 8, 9 years now, it hurt me, you know. Well, lady said that to me. She hurt me. She hurt me wicked. As me say again, a simple straw blind eye. I cannot say nothing at all about mama. But this is how me fail. The evil church thing, that is just spread. How me feel, because like my mother then. Me feel hurt about lady saw thing more than my mother. Because me know lady saw personally. Me no mean like how me see them, right. You know, but me grew up loving she and Lady G them and Macadam and them. Me can't, how Lady G I got this me. And me, you know, I can't answer. Lady G this me too. Lady G this me wicked too, brother. And me just hold it. Enough thing, you know, like when me just bust, brother, I tell you the truth. No disrespect, I tell you how corrupt music is, you know. Just buy me red car, you know. I say me I got that time me just I get hot like fire, you know, and me buy me red car the first week, and me say me I drive, I go Bull Bay, I go make my sister see it. And brother, as me reach at my sister gate, me get a call, me don't know where they get my number from. And she say, the person say, hi, this is Khago. And I say, yeah. And I say, and with this, and she say, I don't know if you know me still, but my name is Lady G. And I said, nice, Lady G call me, brother. And I say, yes, mama, I know you, miss. And she say, you know me, you know some little problem now. And I say, what happened? And she say, you know, say, some man did send some whole heap of money come give me for voice. What the man was dead, the one I singing, I know, is 3 Gregory Isaac, 4 Gregory Isaac. But you know, he take long for voice and me mash up the money. And the people, them want to kill me, them and say, the hungry person you can squeeze you out with that if you can get some cargo. And brother, me spin back around the car, brother, and drive come a Flavor Squad. God say anything you do for people, you know if you talk back. And then I talk, me just I tell the youth them, oh, is everybody stay so, brother? And I drive come, burn back my gas and drive come and left my sister hanging in the spot. I want to go give her sport off and I no car, my lad. And I come mash up the dubs them times 10 for mama and free her up. Same week, some Chinese man, no Chinese, Japanese come and the same Flavor Squad does the brother. And I made them come for, you know, for me make a bag, you know. Mama in their vice, brother. Same woman, you know. When me just free up a couple $100,000 out of that, you know. And for me, make $1.5 million now, you know, brother, to take care of myself and even give her back a personal food, you know. She in their vice at 45, you know, where God forbid, you know, reach now, you know. And all them tell her, say, you know, some people come for vice Khago. Some dub plate, Khago, I beg you. A little half hour, if you mash them up, then you can't do that. And I joke, me making a brother. And sometimes people do some things I not even know what they're doing, brother, and I understand how much. I look upon it and I say, then teach them, what if me did this or what if me did say me nah come sing the dub them for you? How God did I deal with me, brother? That is the reason why I used to teach them from the start. Go Bible, brother. God just start bless me. You see the amount of, when you call me, the amount of text where they so right now for dub, brother. See? And see the amount of sound man I call for come up here. It means, brother, God has said, use when me I beg God, say, God, help me now. Me never know until me start listening pastor. God said, Moses, use what you have in your hand and teach them. Every time God says something, you better just know. Say, you him a talk to. My wife said, use what God give you and give you advice. And I just come on Facebook teach them. And I say, bam, $100 for 3 Khago. And people start to laugh after me. Teach them. Change my life. Change my life in 1 month, brother. shock me up back. Shock me up back and let me know, say, yo, youth, Pink Panther tell me something. And you, out of all the artists them are bossing at the 10 year, and you are going to be the legend, you. Then could have fighted till then. Deal. A man say, if you think a joke, when we reach out the liquor place, when you touch the mic, you go here. A man say you have 6 solid songs will never ever dead. 99% of who are your peers now and who them are neglect you for. 20 years from now, you are going to be the cockatoo. You see you're short and ugly like him. So the man say, you know, no manners, you know. See, the man say, just imagine when you reach up in our 50s and 60s and your gold teeth, them a drop out and you start sing can't cool, can't quench for the liquor youth them. Just imagine when you say, nah, salute my friend, them, when you say the part 2, and brother may have 6 solid hit with spot, every sound man want them, brother, worldwide. Nah, sell out 1, nah, sell out 2, turn up the thing, blood a boil. Energy, and can't cool. You think it easy if you do that? In a Vibes Cartel era, I'm over there, brother. Me not talk like how now it's just cartel a go on. Me mean pan the peak of them think Khago get 6 solid songs. And the next thing again, what is the biggest rhythm sing do for the past 10 years? One Day.
One Day.
Who have the biggest song pan it?
Khago.
So no must me sing the biggest song for the past 10 years. We not talk when me not talk where, brother, in a see it again. I'm saying, you know, the man them no go school, me no go school and me I do the match, you know. When I talk some song where VP them push and carry go give you a Grammy and then sit there, brother. See,
that song will do it for itself.
Song will do it for itself, brother. That is song, they are legendary song, me there in New York and a man say, what you sing over Bob Marley song for? You know, ignorant. The man said, don't get ignorant singer, and you have the song. And you have the song where Bob Marley sing, the One Love is that you sing it over back. Nah, sell out my friend. I mean, say if you think a joke, watch and see the past 10 years, my lad. Nah, sell out my friend, them can't play. No, with any party drop, the fans them get so irritated like it just dropped. What the second biggest beat for the past 10 years?
Over, bro.
Who have the biggest song for them?
Khago.
Dog, tell the man then give the youth in props, my lad. Me no want to no girl, me no want to no money. All me want is some of the props where we no give Cartel them and him alone forget it. Because Cartel give me my props and he buck me up at when we go win best new artist. I say, yes, youth. You're good. What are the third biggest rhythm since the past 10 years? Island Vibes.
Island Vibes.
I have the biggest song.
Energy. I know my favorite song back on the rhythms is not a big song.
But I hit the biggest song, brother. And I'm going out and I'm coming in. But I me have the big song on the rhythm. Nah, make them jade my energy. When they stop Vice, see them Khago Vice, there's no man can't want dub plate and not eat them one, brother. I'm just saying, teach them. We're humble now. Because God say you have to be humble. So, me humble and me attack. If the 3 biggest rhythm Khago involve in a, remember I said hard, forget the biggest rhythm in our country, you know. Forget a big rhythm, it take all 20 years before a man can go around bada, you know. And before you can go around sick and answer and anything there, you know. And Shanice can't do it. Jordan can't do it. And Justice can't do it. Me no mean say your hunger can go to a limit, but then go and consider up there in a modern era. And Khago the panic, brother, 2 of them. Me had the biggest tune, and the third one, Energy. Some people will say Taurus, and some people will say Conscience, but Khago is there.
The Bugle?
And Bugle. 4 solid hit songs depend it.
I tell you, some of this man is a small song depend
it. But I mean, bust the beat. I mean, bust it a reggae Sunfest, brother. You want to say, I mean, hot, you know, 2012, you know. Me still act like a firehead, brother.
Can't cool.
Can't cool, you know. You understand? So I'm saying, like, me I talk to you now, and you kind of have an insight of how me feel, brother.
Yeah, me I get that, bro.
A bit of me feel better, you know, say, yo, then, so my works, I must say, Bible say if you work, you know, so all of my work, I go in vain, because people don't like the way how me stay. How me stay, brother? First thing, anything when you see me I do, I'm an artist. I can't plan something. Why you hate me for brother? They know you don't hate Ninja Man and Shabba. Oh, you know, you Bunty and Beanie. Me and Sizzler go at it for put some money in our pocket because Sizzler never had at the time. I mean, the current. And he bring him back, make radio a race. So give me a little props. But the 3 biggest beats to come out of Jamaica for the past decade, Khago involved in it. And me not just involved in it normal, brother. One of them me a rival with. And it's the Bugle, and the Conscience, and the Taurus Riley. And I show them.
Yeah, big song pan Clear too. Snake.
No, but guess what? No? Blood a Boil, brother.
Blood a Boil.
Blood a Boil is my next big song.
Yeah.
Remember, Blood a Boil come when me look up most and put a rope around me neck, you know?
Yeah.
A Bronx me there, you know. And so how the man them a fight me, so brother, what me do? What can I do? What Jamaica hate me suffer? At me and a PG, brother. Me and a Porsche. Me and a Mr. Andrew. At them enough hate, you know. At them enough hate. Why not hate me, so? One little clash of go on, Guineas or something. Some of them here so come and say, me blood a boil, you know, see me? And the whole place, this song make me become the artist thing again. So brother, God a go rise me, man. Me know a man rise me again. But when God arise me, teach them, and God make you come down here, you know. There is no way you have to just get up and say, me a come. See all Anthony Miller. These things will happen, brother, start happen because of prayer, brother. And them see, Khago make the right move. That youth deserve, we give him a raw deal. Because the man them we spot, we park him to push through certain man, we and them did a friend, but we and Khago and a friend. Khago, when he come to town, he young, come do an interview and he gone back. We don't know him. I mean, appreciate, but we give him a raw deal. He is an artist and he is a Jamaican. And we are born him about, we praise the next man them about it. Everything come with age, responsibility come with age. Them I get all at one, know say then soon dead, and know say, yo, we deal with the youth bad. You saw when me sang them a tear down radio, me not have to go there. Them not have no choice, them soon have to do it, brother. You not have no choice. Just, remember me tell you this, you know, me not talk, and I say, yo, remember me tell you, me not go on the radio, go beg them to play me, you know. Because when me and my wife turn on, you see, we think this. When we turn on, brother, 3,000-4,000 people see me shit. When my business if radio want to play me, then how much this jacket can get 1,000 somebody if you know what they do. Me don't know. So I'm just saying, brother, I just go and take me a time.
What is due to you?
No, God already give me already.
Yeah.
But him say, me I go increase the territory for you.
Speaking about increasing territory, it is well documented and publicized now that you won a court settlement in a suit against Kemar Flavor McGregor. $763,663 US dollars.
That a fool, you know. I want him see them do to me, you know. And I just take it. In feel for repeating.
Oh.
I produce my album in so.
Spirit or Walk a Man?
Walk a Man. Me and that same little youth and him Faithful. They call him Breezer, you know. We produce it. And me I go through my suffering. And him see me in here so. And at the time I did a knockout on Facebook. I say, yo, Ray. And him link me on Facebook, yo. You know me, I'm one of them producers that we spot Robbie because I remember so one of my big songs is Love Stomach. You make me star, right. Make me. So I not even talk about them that either, you know. And he must say, me I want to produce them a thief, you still, you know. But leave Jamaica because then we kill you. And I just call my wife same time and I left my house, bam, me run, we go to St. Anne's and she buy a ticket and I fly over the other day. And I come to spend Christmas, you know. And you know, I say, brother, can the boy, the man I say, all of them people that we spot here talk about, I come to America and I practice law now, music law and anything there. I go after them for you. All you have to do is give me the rights. And he said one little contract come for the administrative.
So you took him on to collect royalties and publishing for you?
Yeah. Administrative work we give him to go do. See? And him start crossing boundary and see me start getting enough show. But my wife at work, and when people are called, they can't get her because she in the hospital, you understand? I say, Francie, you know, I don't want to talk to them because I want somebody to make a thing look away. Since we have him, make him talk to the people. And him start I collect the money them and I thief them, brother. Believe me, I tell you, say. And me cut him off feet, and instant the man start. I say, the contract when me sign means say everything when me do before, now, if I answer out my friend them, I sign over game, and that's just it. So all the album, when me send the album go give him for him, listen to it, and him put it out, brother. And put him name on it, and say, and him write it, and him produce it. The man take every rights, you know. So at this now, me start to say, brother, you not produce my album, you not write my album, how you name upon it? You're supposed to, in link, me say, you have a company where I'm going to make hear it, for give me 250,000 US. So me I say, brother, me that take a change. Me that take a change out of that 250,000 because me I suffer dog. You know, so me get 250, if I want 200, me can come buy one bad beam and go and splurge all the place. That's what me I pray. Yeah. That's what I pray. Yeah, that's how. And me I say, so I say anything again, man, release and put in names to him, to everything. That cause a problem, brother. And when me knock out on him now, you don't go see someone's come on my yard, sue me first.
Yeah, man.
But that's so, you know, Egyptian them and the whole of them out there. They're afraid of him. Can you work with VP then say, my thief, you know that style, say, all you have to do is sue an artist first, and artist know, say, yo, that will take 2-3 years, but me, brother, I suffer so much. You look on Khago, where you come from and where you reach now. Where me reach now more sweet, and I go fight you. Me no have nothing for the Jamaican and listen to me right now. Me no get me citizenship yet. Flavor me have time. He man link me when me have time. He man link me when all me do is sit down and cook for my pretty wife. Yeah, and link me when me want to come back home. I say, you know, I'm going to use you as an example. I true, you see Shanies of them do it, and Frost and Jordan them. I still love them youth there because all of them young and then sitting there. But all I say to them youth there, I can fix it because I'm not going to lose. And it is 150,000 US for release my song without me give you a paperwork for do it, half the rip. And if them say, you do them thing that is spite. Like, feed them a 30,000 half the rip because them are going to chew it out there too long. But a 30,000 half the rip for release one. But the other part, them will cost them millions now at the part where they want to see the money them what you make off of the song. You understand? And you have to go pay for me suffering. You have make so much money over the years and me suffer and you come and talk about, oh, him should have got do for him part. Do for him part. No, it shouldn't reach me if you go do for me part, brother. You're not supposed to release my voice without me and you have that paper here and come to
But the truth is though, Khago, in Jamaica, most
brother,
work between producer
don't
and
go there so in Jamaica.
Man, between producer and artist is normally a gentleman's agreement.
No,
that me ask.
No.
Just hear me out, no, man.
No,
hear me out.
Me I say because for too long, as we bring up this music thing, we bring up in Jamaica.
Right.
In Jamaica.
Jamaica we are talking about,
no, music is not for Jamaica, music is for the world. Teach them. This thing what we are talking about, it is for Jamaica. No, it is for the world. The one music line. You cannot release nobody content without them give you a paper work. If you say yes. You can. And this is how you're going to release my vocals. You're supposed to get your your percentage. You don't know who write my song.
Right.
So how you don't know, so someone else is waiting in the wind for sue you if you not sell out my friend. It is not Khago alone. You don't know if she write it for Khago. You're just dead. Because the man who write the song own the song 50%.
Right.
Outright, you know. Plus the man who sing it, me own more than Shanies. We just have to find out them part there. It's not him, it's the producer.
He's not the producer?
No, both of us.
Okay.
Me I teach you something.
Yeah.
Because through we go down the road there,
you learn something.
Internationally, you alone can produce. The only way you alone can produce a music, brother, is if you buy it from me. You can't just take the right there.
So co-producing, go on.
No, they are the two away.
Right, so
and him no own more of it than me. Because me is the vocalist on it. And You understand?
Yes.
And him don't have to even play the beat. It can be somebody else play the beat. So you don't even know if one next you don't at Tivoli. No, they wait. I wait for sue him too. So these things now, me I say, we can fix it, man. Don't act tough. Because you make millions, but you make millions what deserve to give to me too.
So you extended that to them?
We say it everywhere, you know.
Everywhere. But have you said it personally to them?
Me not go say it.
Remember I said here, so you go so GT, Sunshine, Jordan, Sean Nizzle.
Yeah, because I have copyright for the song them right now. But listen to teach them before me forget, you know. The whole of them I saw one time. Me copyright.
It have reached us a door, Khago?
Yeah, because they style me. Sean is a company internet and say, oh, him and nobody, eat that boy. I me sing the biggest song in your career and you produce the biggest song in my career and I say, me and nobody. Because you know, you see when they rob your brother, the best way for we do is silence, teach them. Because we can't make him know we rob him and they silence me. See, now sell out my friend them is not a song where you can just walk away from and tomorrow morning pour like a zero. No have nothing. Now sell out. You know me try the other day we try a thing. Let me show you how interested and how big now sell out my friend is. 2018. Devil Black boy, you know if you paint into black. Flavor say, just do this. Go to SoundScan and put in and sell out my friend and put in your name for January 2018 to February. And February come. You know, 2018, you know, February, the play when I sell out my friend and get worldwide, I make partly 5,000 US. So just imagine in that
just 1 month.
For 1 month, brother. So just imagine now sell out my friend them.
Over the years.
Over the years, how much millions it make off a performance and sales, brother, and streaming, brother. Plus, me I look for now sell out my friend them now. Sean Nizzle, the people them what him give he put it out, brother. I collect 20% and 25% off of my part.
And not his.
How did we get there, brother? When me look up and can't turn up the thing, so much people won't turn up the thing. Just as me and you did ever have a conversation about that? It's not like these people not knowing, brother. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So we don't want they hold it and teach them, as me tell you, don't be no hypocrite, brother. Them know. So no artist know and every producer know. How the whole of them, the distribution place them and them work with, no. Them know the weaker link we are calling the weaker one that is a producer and give him $5,000 and just quiet him. That them do to them. Okay, the beat at bam bam bam. Okay, so like, okay, him have Khago on it, him have Vada, him have the man there. Him just call teach them. Okay, me I go give you 10,000 US. Teach them need a new car, teach them I say, bam, you sell it. I sell them, you know. Sell them for all 2-3 years, then they move on and sell the next man. The brother without my consent. Me as the artist now go sell my voice that me want $1 million US. So these corporation rather know so then go to the producer them. Because the producer them licky more than the artist them. The artist them I make dub plate, the artist them I get show and I make so millions. No, true we have money. In quote unquote, what them are saying.
Okay.
Them no one in no meet with me. You can't come to Khago about now 5,000. Finance out my friend them. No, you have to give me 500,000. You get the difference?
Yes.
So I use Sean Nizzle, let me know. So I'm saying, brother, don't talk to me. Talk to because them we are going to slap him. And it have fixed up already if you slap them, you know. And from them me go waste my money, it have to just go straight through. We have a lawyer already who's part we talk to.
So you're serious, brother?
Brother, then if me do it, if me counter soul flavor and win him, can you imagine I go sue Sean Nizzle, how you go counter soul me? I just release my vocals, you know. I make millions out of it, you know. That's the say me and nobody, you know. And all, let me tell you, him and Frost and Sunshine and GT Taylor, them me not like. You know why? Frost, just like how you come here, Frost they all in my yard. For me the things for him. Me the whole harbor Frost there, my yard over there, so. Me the Spanish town Frost there, my yard the Spanish town. How you deal with me, so brother? I mean, boss Frost, you know, brother. When Frost I put out in rhythm, them I just me acting, move out and not have voice, him and him move out the youth, you know, brother. Boy, singer, we have to go just put on the beat. From we get put your road, from we get you up on the way, alright, because Bardo take too long for voice. See, enough time, man, up have to save the man. Ready, man, when me want a strength, whether your hunger voice alkaline, your hunger voice red, me I go show you. You are going to get, and you want to know, come on TV and say, a farm up, me they are foreigner though. You have to go pay your feet.
So if they are foreigner, the farm, nothing wrong with that?
Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it, you know. Nothing wrong with it. You know, see me, the other farm, the real farm, man. Sunshine, you used to come and man develop my studio there, so. I mean, used to write song for her and sing this song, they want to make you put her voice over it. And when me need back a strength from you, you know, give me. GT, you know. Every show that man have, when me I get 500,000, me do everything for that man free. And when me need help, brother, you know, save me. I make me go all Canada and find out, say, all them songs, they will spark my voice and think I feel. I saw a man give up crazy money to voice me. Crazy money people give for voice me, you know. And you make me voice them and think I feel.
You've been through it, brother.
Brother, I say me do every show for the man free. Look, me mean some bush show we gone up in some place. I just me alone, black. Never collect dollar from GT. And when me need your help, you just mute me. Me go mute your back.
So, but people are going to watch the interview with Khago and I'm going to answer one question and I'm going to ask it. Is Khago really suing these people because of copywriting or because them never did their feed?
What it? What it? Enough things gotta be to find a brother. I'm saying, all these people have to do, brother. Youth, we blackball, you know. See, none of them now say, yo, no leave the youth them. Me I play them regardless. But we know so they never really have certain power still. But I'm saying, good damn man. If all I know say, man, leave the man, the man don't kill nobody. The man just dash your manager. That's up to him. He might doing things himself. He might not hot like before, but we are playing the same way. Because we see artists, all me do is dash your manager. We see artists do worse than him. Artists catch with gun, artists do all different type of something. Like a lad. I go build my studio down at St. Elizabeth because I say Manchester people now defend me. I go St. Elizabeth people love me. I mean, I have to pull down my thing. I go open my gym, I open my bar, I open my this. But my bar make 1.1 million in a 2 weeks, you know. Down a junction, you know. Junction. I end up have to pull it down because of Laden, you know.
What do you mean?
Brother, the man place and Laden, them sit my law. What you think I go do? I'm not a bad man, brother. Be a threat and start to be a song of this man, in nigga, in bad man nigga, them come at the bar.
Laden do the song of this, yeah?
You come like this man not to understand. Laden said me a all different type of sitting. And him go cut off my locks and all different type of sitting. And the same day, he dropped the song there, the following day, he left Jamaica and go. He said I cut off my locks and go at airport, LAX. And then hold him and dip him. Catch ganja in his pocket. You see how God work. You just say, you got to me man LAX and then catch you with weed at LAX and dip yourself in the back home.
But if you as an artist go junction do Khago and the next artist down there, man should then welcome you and...
I don't know what the man...
Don't lift up a place.
Brother, I don't know what lad yet, find. Dylan Reed can tell you, you know, dog, I do nothing to lad away from help lad, you know. Lad enter festival, Rising Star, drop out, no, in none of the winnings, me winning in a winnings in a festival. And my first show I ever get, I get most 50,000. I mean, Dylan Reed, and I call Laden and make Laden open it, brother, and I give him 10,000. And the man, to make me and him team up, brother, and become such a legend in the business. Here I go on again. When me make a bomb stand, remember me and him not talking. He do everything to kill me off. No disrespect, you know. And we make a bomb stand. I come from foreign and the government then give me a little protection. And you know, so I drive past my enemy. And I just pull up. And I say, DJ, go get your thing. Believe me. God said, go tell him. Go to the government and go get your thing. When they are St. Elizabeth, I know, because it's through a grapevine, I know enough to trouble them because I know what happened to me down there. But God just said to them, go get your thing. go to FLA, go get a thing. And you know what I say, brother? I see if God has sent me, go save the man, like, save the man from what happened to him now, you know. My wife say, you see you? Them take you for idiot, brother. They don't understand how spiritual you is. Me go to the man, brother, and say, yo, do this. And the man laugh after me. Kick out in my door. Saying I'm a good man. I said, all right, brother. I remember me here, you know. You know, so I'm just saying, brother, me not just musically, me and a man will rival and thing, but when it comes to personal, me don't want to hurt nobody. I never want to see a Shana here hurt on a man's head. Me don't want to see nobody meet them downfall. Me don't want to see Tammy Lee meet no downfall. Me don't want to see Latin. Worse, Octane is the only one I know. Me don't want to see a Shana here hurt him.
Realize you really check for Octane.
Octane, I rate Octane that. But me that box him, I kick him in the face. Serious, me that one. Honestly, for me and that boy could have even talk back. TVG see him have to put one ring. He have to go lose some pound though. He have to come down to size. Because fighting go off a size. A professional fight, you want to fight.
Weight class.
Weight class. He have to go tap me on some things.
You lose all it now.
He still have to come down some. And he have to come down 20 pound lighter on me too.
What I mean? But all of fear.
Me not fighting fear.
All I think so.
All I think them, me want to have an advantage. But honestly speaking, still, Octane a good youth still. But music consuming. Consuming get consumed. And I would then teach him. Then teach him certain things in the music and I consume him. And before I close, I will tell you something. When I say consume, me get consumed too, but I will show you a maths. You see through my shot, brother, the whole whisper, I did a good on, I can turn back. You see a crocodile and an alligator, if them are 10 feet tall and them are good on in a 5 feet hole, then you can't turn back. So Octane them and Cartel them and Tammy Lee them and Latin them are good in a hole because they're tall, they can't turn back, brother. They're good in a crocodile hole, just like crocodile, them have to just eat them way through. So it's either no good now go come out of it, brother. No good now go come out of it because all of these people I mention are people with sport. Everybody love. So you know no choice. Don't feel like them too. Because I know easy for just love people, but I love Octane because I know personally I'm a good somebody. You understand? But when it comes to that fame shit there, it consumes him deep. And I know me alone I go say it. Enough other man, as me say again, is no ignorance is giving the devil a good youth. If you are par with him, by just part, he not go give you no girl, he not give you no money, God forbid. He will buy your clothes. But he not give you money, and he not give you no girl them, and he not boss you. That's it. But a good person.
Yeah.
Personally, I can understand that. Like him, I say, me no win no Grammy yet, so I can't help you. And that is not the way how it's supposed to work. But personally, if you know him, a good person.
There was a time that you were hairstylist.
I mean, no, I never really know your stylist, brother. I just learn how to lax here.
Yeah.
Like, that's why I miss Jamaica, miss the lax we did have, you know. Because 90% of who do lax from St. Elizabeth come that side, I even Octane with a pretty lax there. I mean,
you do it?
See, no, I know me do film, but I mean carry him go at the place just because me did a bus at the time, me never want to do that again.
Okay.
But like all them people at St. Elizabeth and me teach one, me teach that. So like when me say me want relax, because me I say if music no work, me I go try the like rent a jet thing out of watch it. See, so me I say boy, me hear say one African up a Brownstone I do it and me I say me nah that big money there for go do it, but I was scamming. So me I say, me go up there now and so yeah man, I want to do me here man, and when he tell me price is 25 grand and then sitting there and that 20 years ago, you know, me I say, yeah man, start it man. That time I done my Brownstone in there, I know say if he ramp with me, he will get beaten. And me I say, Starting man, I sit down with my two big guys, them and I watch underneath my shades and him dead and I see him, he was sitting and him push it through so. I mean, just jack yard upon him and say, boy, I mean, I really think we're going to a Christian here, man. I just catch you.
Pull out back this.
I say, you have to go pull out. I just can't do two. If I need the two, I just go on. I mean, myself, I push it through myself. Push it through myself. Then that's it. Then I start teach people how to do it. I start make hundreds of thousands out of it. Because I charge 10 grand, 15 grand. Everybody come to me for do the relax. You understand? So that was it. So
a real craft is
it's just yeah, just like how me make the music, me learn it all fair, you know. Nobody can do it pretty like my brother. You understand? So,
what is Khago's greatest musical achievement thus far along the journey though?
Oh my God. My greatest music achievement is my downfall. That is my greatest achievement because if you don't fall to the rock, you can't meet the rock of ages, brother. And me fall far and me meet God Almighty, brother. And I not turn back. You will never catch me in a dance. I'll stand up and say, yo, right?
Play my tune.
No, do that. If you don't love me enough, if you play my tune, I care zero. My greatest achievement is my mishaps and my downfall on my face through music. Because guess what?
You learn.
I learn so much. And let me tell you something. Enough man don't know how strong they is because they never fall yet. Me know how strong me is. And enough man don't know if God can fight because God never have to show up and fight for you yet. He might fight for me even right now. So my greatest achievement in a music, brother, is my downfall. And I don't think a shallow mind person ever can understand this. So all of what I say to you, just like me go on Caribbean and the promoter tell Barry Salmon to call me out and Barry Salmon say no. That hurt me. Can you imagine me legend? And when me talk these things, ask Claude Mills. The man tell Claude Mills some bad word youth. That hurt me deep in me. I say, what me do them people, brother? What have I done to you guys? Me see them artists accused of rape, artists accused of kill, and me see uno and them good. What me do to uno, brother? It's a strange place within 15,000 people in the place, brother. And the man and the promoter where I keep filming show tomorrow come to this promoter where I'm bridging and I say, I just want Khago to walk out on the stage and tell the people I'm saying, Barry Salmon, my icon. I say, him can't touch my stage. Claude Mills, I don't hear that with the 2 years. I mean, I tell you, ask Claude Mills, brother. Brother, what me do them in the music, brother? Till me get to understand now, say, fear them, fear. Just imagine you walk out there and sing and sell out my friend them. There's nothing at all me can do to my icon burst. You understand what I'm saying, brother? And that still is not even my greatest achievement. Meeting Jah is my achievement. And moving on from today in the music, you will never ever hear me a conduct. I mean, give God all the glory, brother, because trust me, God made me make more money last year than I ever making in my whole entire career in a 1 month. I mean, I have to say respect to every sound man. You know, see me step out, go buy Bentley. You know? You think a manager give me Bentley? Go buy a sound man, give me cash. Sound man, that's why I say. That's why you will always see me sing $50 dub, $100 dub. It's not the money me I do it for. Me just I do it to make the sound man them can see say, yo,
I appreciate
what I do for me. I want to build my house. I want to do everything for me because they don't book me for a show, brother. They don't book me. So all of these things make me have to say, if God say, mother and father and friend and everybody forsake you, and then he come again and say, all you have to do, just try me. I mean, I try him.
Is there anything musical you want to achieve that you still hope to achieve?
As me say, me's a boy, me pre the 48 laws of power too. When me set a goal too, because just like You have to know what people are used for you, you know.
Yeah.
Like my peers, them use the 48 laws of power, and they make me go listen to the audience.
You're right in our music, man. It's widespread in our music. If
you
you know the book and you look on the music,
I 48 laws of power them I use.
Every day.
Them I use for you. Them I use it, and from me understand it, me know say, okay, oh, you know do them nothing, fear them fear. No, but before me answer that question, it's a few times somebody say, be careful, man, and kill you. What is death, brother?
You don't fear death.
Death is an escape. It's an escape. And sometimes death is the best thing ever happened to you because the only thing wicked people can do is kill you. God said, from you believe in me, them are going to crucify you. And from you as a man who don't stand for nonsense, them are going to crucify you. If God gone 2,000 years, Jesus gone and say, I'm going to prepare a place in Mount Zion. If as I come off of this, me drop down and dead, or then shoot you, or then, brother.
You don't live your life in fear.
Me not live my life in fear. You understand what I'm saying? Me is not a road guy, me is not a street nigga, me is not none of them type of sickness. So that's it. You understand? And all I say, Marcus Garvey dead for the truth. Nanny dead for the truth. Paul Bogle dead for the truth. All of these greats dead for the truth. You understand? But this is not truth. This is the right thing me I do. Because you're not supposed to take my stuff. I want my stuff. I want my half. And you are going to kill me? Then what you think is going to happen to you? Teach them you have some man, if you ever kill them, boy, you're dead. I want whole heap of no dead. All of these people, if me drop out now, the whole of them have to go hide in the bulb. Because people are going to kill you back. Okay, we don't know who everybody who is parting ever mention their name. We are slap. We can't come back on our show, and we can't come nowhere. We don't know which son are going to kill the singer. We have to kill in the back. You have to just believe in that, brother. You have to believe in that. Say, yo, when it come to putting truth out there, how he reach to his part, him attack for his rights, and he want for him stuff. He sing pan the 3 biggest rhythm for the past 10 years, and you go say, him for just silent. And me not dead anyway, brother. Anyway, you take it.
I did.
Me dead. Because if my son and my daughter have to go come, my daughter and first son, forget a song or forget a dollar. Me not dead. Dead again. Bob Marley I live. Bob Marley pitney them I live. Bob Marley I live because all in grand pitney them come. I live. And Bob Marley, grand pitney, them will never suffer, and in great grand and in great grand and in great grand and in great. These guys will leave music alone. PD tell me again, saying, Pujo Bantan tell him, say, create a world, man. And make them come pay if you live in it. And that is the reason why you see me I do what me I do now. You understand? Me want my own. Theoretical don't tell you from day one. You say, the first thing I'm going to go draw, this is how Jamaica. Music is a Jamaica thing, or music is a global thing. How Africa, where music big so over Africa. So it means you are collect everything from African continent for yourself, boy. And my pitney them. Me live already, you know. Me live already, me I'll find wife. Boy, like me never fear no wife. We go do all the interview and a man said, Jesus Christ, your wife pretty some of you. All the woman said, no disrespect, but me can't even do the interview. Me fear tell your wife, boy, you're pretty. So me now, if you have my kids' wealth out there, and because of fear of these guys with spot, used to come and I beg me for voice to them, and me used to beg them, we are right, we say we are rise together. So when the vampire them link you, for show you the thing, you never call me. And you never call him. You never call Biogo, you never call Tommy, you never call him, you never call Actian to say, yo, the devil them link me, you know. And this is what them are saying, you know. We are going to release the song, you know. No, the artists need to be compensated, brother. It's simple. What is the, okay, you mash up your money already. This is how we are going to do it. Make me own the song for one next 10 years then. Me not going to make what you make.
Yes, so like a benefit.
But me have a benefit. Me can remix it, me can do all different type of thing with the same beat. It's simple, you know, brother. Because you're going to lose. And if you kill me, you have to go kill Francine, and you have to go kill Zara, because everything in a hit for them. You understand what I'm saying? So you're not going to win. No win is there for you, brother. You're going to lose. And when God cover your hand in blood, brother, then I don't know, they want to kill me. But if this is it, that is it. Because the youths them learn. The youths them are going to see this and learn. You can't call me about a contract yourself. Me not record for you. Me buy the beat outright. And me pay an engineer for mix. And me pay for harmony. Everything
so
is mine.
Everything are yours.
This is where me teach the youth them. You can't distribute. Me and my own distribution. If you sing a song and Langchain Global are distributed for you, guess what I teach them? Everything come to you, not come to me. Why all of these people couldn't set up for them like that? And it is like that. But them want if it come to them. If a $10 me make them if you get my $4, give me it. You take your $2 the distribution. The man who own the rhythm get fee him $4 because that's how his sales go. You don't know who make the beat. The man who make the beat for get fee him $2. That's what I'm saying, brother. If I fear we are saying, we don't have to go down the road that we spot. Me have to sue you and you have to sue me, brother. All I'm saying.
Do the right thing.
Just do the right thing. Okay, you need my money already. Don't act like you're not wrong, you know. Because, remember, this is my final second. Might can't beat right.
You still not tell me what you want to achieve musically.
Me tell them I have everything when I want musically already. I said this, it has set you up to fail. You take on additional stress on your head. Brother, set a boundary and when you reach it, chill. Anything else you gotta do for me, it's a blessing. Okay, this is a house and I done, but me have a brand new house at Tampa.
Yes.
Me don't have to come here, so brother.
Give thanks.
You see it.
Is there anybody in the business where you never work with collaboratively or you don't mind going to the studio go do a song with?
Nobody in reggae music not like me.
Who you like enough where they want to do a song with?
Me not like none of them if they not like me, brother. Garnet Silk.
Sure.
No, me not Garnet not have to there for me go remix to a song.
That is true.
Garnet are my idol, you know.
Yeah.
And you're not supposed to idolize people. And Garnet Silk make me leave sentence come live a man there.
Yes.
Looking at a salute my friend them, you know, see him upon him video me go sing it. A Garnet energy. Me use Garnet energy. Me use and become a real star. And when me do my second dance about my friend them, if you know hear me call his name night, me know what me I do. I feel energy. So if you say, if there is somebody for me do, if him pick me them and say, singer, because I have that energy there. You understand? Me that remix 1, 2 or 1, 3 a Garnet Silk song but you know for him thing worse than my own. Because him not there have to fight for him and him pity them can't fight with them. That are the difference. Can you imagine? Just imagine, brother, all I am saying, just me tired to see artists, brother. Me never see a producer beg yet. How? Me never see a producer dead and them have to take up. Because the difference is, me vice for him. He make 120, 30 million off of my thing. That's your side. You go vice him, he make a 50 off of you. That's your side. This is how they are all raper. Raper man, you have to call them. And the boy them who spot Ungla, Walla. Yeah, you rape Khago, man. It's just a raper them be no different from the man who hold down the girl them and rape them, my lad. And enough of them literally I do that shit. You have to do that if you can go in them vice box stuff. And enough artists youth with spot to see, my lad, that struggle that type of way there, especially all the female them, my youth. So what you gonna do? So if Nanny go through this, ladies are go through it as bad as it is. No other female not supposed to go through this shit, and ladies are Mac a Diamond them have to go through that already, you know. Seeing Bob Marley them not supposed to go through it, I'll get gunshot for me cause struggle. And a youth will spot me and them come up. Do me this, brother. Remember say, if you notice, you know, a 400 odd song then put out for me and I don't get dollar, you know. It is not easy, you know, brother.
400 odd song?
Yeah. So listen, and if you notice me only I call.
A few names.
Because them know me personally, you shouldn't do it to me.
Mm-hmm. For all the songs that you sing, which song are your favorite?
None of them.
None of them that mean more to you than none?
No.
The most successful one has been Nah Sell Out.
The most successful song to me is the one where put tears in the people's eye and make people take stock. Daddy from your gone and walk a mile in my shoes. Jesus said, don't watch a crowd. Everybody like, nah, sell out my friend, man, you feel say it is the most successful song to me. No, it is the worst one. I hit me on your days right now. I the one will make people stop and think. Then if I say, nah, sell out my friend, them is my most successful song and Jamaica sell me out because me I be myself. Hey, you know, say, if me was tomorrow morning, me just come out and say, yes, me love man also. You can't tell me if you love, brother. Those type of things is for me and God to decide. It is not you, brother. You understand? So I'm just saying, we're not living in a dictator country, brother. Even though Jamaica is a dictator country still, you know, but them sweep it underneath the rug. That is the reason why you feel like you can't teach them, say, you can't do that, you can't do this, that is dictatorship. You can't rob, you can't do this, you can't wear your sack style. Brother, you can't do that in America. Me live beside so much America, brother, and you can't look upon them. If you ever look upon them, you go to prison faster than kill a man. You get what I'm saying? So Jamaica need to just leave people because you're not using the same knife, stick, hog, and sheep. You're just a fight the weak fence, and it is the fence where you have to leave alone. You understand what I'm saying? So that's just it, brother.
For the people out there who want to get in touch with Khago, dub plate settings, how they go about doing that?
Dub plate, all you have to do, just, man, find me answer. Find me on Instagram.
Khago on Instagram.
Khago_SkyGod, G-A-D. You see people are 5 years before they start blow up. Me tell you, I watch your thing, you know, brother, me give respect to people who spark me see. Try them thing. I watch you, I try your thing, and I watch you work, brother. I will never, ever see a youth. I try and tear him down. And that's why I do the song and tear down. Especially, sorry, a YouTuber or a vlogger or whatsoever they want to call on. They don't even call me so too. But I build me thing, brother. I save me, I try to save my life, you know. Granny said, donkey can't too good for carry their own grass, brother. So if teach them now and talk about me, you come in here so a while ago and you're shocked, you can't believe you're not TVJ there. The dog has set up in thing. Because teach them, if you ever think, say me, I wait upon you if you tell people something about me, I tell them myself first. You understand what I'm saying? So that is just it, you know?
Yeah. Brother, well, I never know, say, so much twists and turns and turmoils and hills and valleys and precipices, brother. Them walk a mile in your shoes, you see, bro.
They make me walk a mile, man. They really make me walk a mile, but they make me learn. But, you know, how really hurt all of these people been through, but they might put you through.
And them not try.
No.
Been through where they try to put you through.
No, where them put you through, them been through it 1,000 times before. And them come do it to many youths, then do it to me, then do it to him, then do it to she. Brother, we have to wake up and just know, so Jamaica, if there is a place on earth which spark God, would have built a mansion in Jamaica.
I said that already, brother. I said that before. Brother.
You're done.
The music continues.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I find back a little love for it.
Yeah. May I have something in the studio with Spark because I have a new EP of out.
Yeah, the studio come together nice, brother.
Yeah.
Settings nice.
I'm going to make you get a...
Yes, man.
And your first I go premiere it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say that one.
You know, say, as bad as things be, like, it's sweet me still when me hear, like, A man will say, yo, Khago cutting here, I don't like him still, but I want thing, you know, I say, boy, I can see you. Bad artists, you know. Some you know say Jamaicans, them bad man until they not even know what them are doing. You know?
Yeah.
Like, why I want things still? Like, dog, the man attack, you know, dog, but I want things still. Brother, what I go through, my experience, you will never hear me say. Teach them. I don't know nothing about you, teach them. I try best. I don't want to know nothing about you away from you. You learn your journalist thing, and it work. And the difference, what make you different, brother? You make the artist talk. Yes. And how far can I come?
Yeah.
Because I literally, I go tell one, I know one man will definitely I go tell him say. I make sure so my camera on. Because when you interview artists, you act like your people want to see. You act like your people want to see, brother. Play your role. Stop take side in the music. Stop give me cool interview. Stop dictate to me. Every time I talk, you jump down upon me. And no, this is me I tell you about teach them and you allow me make me be myself.
Yes, brother.
You allow me make me be myself and watch how people are going to love your interview. As bad as they want to love someone and then because then Sister Khago is a fear youth. I love you. But you hurt my feelings, and it is just like if Francine hurt me or me hurt Francine. Francine I go talk to her auntie, because she has one favourite auntie. Even if she might not tell you, she will tell her favourite auntie. And I not too have nobody if it help me come on Facebook. I don't know what daddy and auntie, so if I say, that is just it.
So we have exceeded
no, if you don't hang myself.
No, you're right. So that means you just express yourself and I get your thoughts out there.
Yeah, man, so.
Brother. I'm glad to know you hold the thing and you're still there.
You must, man. Brother, hold it, man. Hold it. I never even want to feel so. You feel that way and when they say that thing there. If they know we kill you, kill. Brother, it's our problem. Like, I know an interview we can't talk now. Let me tell you one next problem.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
See?
I come here and you not sing one song for people then get my youth. That don't make no sense.
No, before me leave.
Yeah.
One problem we have, and I see a problem, we fear repercussion over writing. They say the truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. How the truth will be an offense, brother? A lie is an offense and is a sin, brother. I'm saying, a police stop me, I go down the road and I have my seatbelt. And he might tell me I don't have no seatbelt. He give me a fat ticket for $20,000. Listen, you know, I know I have my seatbelt, you know. Here I go on, he give me the ticket. Hear me, you know, I say, boy, I go all over go pay it, man, because I can't take the problem. No, carry him come a court.
You know you have on a seatbelt.
I know I have on my seatbelt. Prove it, I don't have on my seatbelt, no, brother. You please prove it. Oh, me I drive 50 miles per hour. Yo, me just take the ticket here, man, and I just go pay because I can't take for go to court. That is Jamaica problem, brother. We make nonsense get ahead of good sense. Too much. You understand? Some mother road. You get what me say, brother?
I understand.
Brother, Jesus come and sacrifice himself all the way. And you know how you can do it. You think that me have to see Jesus a climb and make a tree again for me, brother? Just to where me I come from and this spirit me call upon. And he can help me to even live to see 2021. I don't know how 2022 I go stay, brother, if we ever go live to see it. But, brother, God knows in my darkest night and my loneliest time when no mother, no father, nobody, me could have been the greatest killer on the planet and me not a mother, not a father, my Lord. Me could have do it and me grow a mango stone for a period of time. Me make money me could have create an army in a man level and I never buy a man a gun from the day me born. Me rather put a rope around me and kill myself before me take my money buy a boy a gun my youth. So man you have to don't wait for them to give you no roses, you know. Buy your roses and treat yourself, you know. Take up your phone and call yourself if you're lonely too, you know. One phone over yourself and one over yourself. Why go and teach them? Boy, you're looking clean today. Smell good too. Go yourself.
Give people a couple of tune, one line, one two line, one three line. You know one thing though, you can't be an artist and not give people them two tune by you.
I'm missing your body back. Yeah? Yes, if you touch one thing,
Yeah, man.
yeah, people you know where you're from.
Nah, man.
They don't like me, dog.
A joke, yeah, man.
You see,
Oh, yeah. Yo, she said she want
Yeah.
turn up the thing. What? Blood boy.
I say teach them, we blood a boil, you know see we blood a boil. We blood a boil, teach them blood a boil. We blood a boil up. A sky god and he teach them, miss I teach them. No boy can hug we give up kind of catty. No boy cannot mongrel nor ratty. Sure say, y'all alone my career and flashy. Teach them, no see man a road. Teach them, tell them straight. Say no boy can't dream, see we. Any shop where you lock that I could have for me. And you no drink cherry juice and a ram Billy, teach no beg friend from enemy, yeah, Miss Abaza see me. Mother road, God I road. Teach them, say we nah sell out with friend them. Nah got this with friend them. Be a blessing, teach them a stand them. Teach them. You want your friends now walk in the NSC. I call your friend them know you're not pre no bad energy. Boss Khago I get make many see. And you burn out them bad mind, dirty heart and jealousy. Good friend it better than pocket can't teach them. Keeping a friend them so close to nine, yeah. Now when them like the close balance and how the friendship work. Now sell out your friend them. Teach them.
I say, Lord, my friend, them one day,
yeah.
say the same.
I say, Lord, my friend, them wonder if them say the same, but or if them are free me, cause teach them sermon name, boy. Or if them stick around and I teach them your cause we part. Teach them safe yaks and no. Teach them not choice and no. We teach them as a job. Not make friend do we like how them the garnet. Wipe it out on them planet. Jump and sound come a chat pan teacher planet. Teacher no one at a cliff none a chronic. Teacher see it our friend do to bojo. No wrong teach them no pictures no phone. No kill them friend for your cup of ice water. No want your picture the truth. No sell out your friend them. Teach them, Mother Road. Come on, and I teach them shows. And understand what teach them a feel. Come on, and I teach them shows. I tell you, say your sister, they play in your real. Mother Road, teach them. Pull up, Mother Road. Self if you don't really teach them. Peace out. I Sky God said that. Mad. And remember to like and subscribe and teach them.
Brother. Sajai, bro.
Mother
Glad to see him and a smile again.
Oh, you mean I'm teeth them straight and white and pretty and tell her.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!